观众朋友们，大家好，我是美国格林小的周若汉 Dr. J. Ladies and gentlemen, do you see this? What is that? That is a bird. In English, we have an expression that is a little bit related to spring and the park and nature, and that expression is, a little birdie told me. A little birdie told me. What does that mean, a little birdie told me? Well, this is something that you do not have in Chinese, and most people do not understand this idiom because they don't teach it in the school. And we've had videos about this, but because I love you, a little birdie told me that I should make another video for you. Let's talk about what it means. Let's say that we have Bill and Sue talking. And Bill says, "Hey Sue, I hear you have a new boyfriend." And Sue goes, "How do you know? Who told you this? Who divulged that secret?" And he says, "Well, I'm not going to tell you who told me. A little birdie told me." What does that mean? Huh? Hey, little birdie? Huh? Birdie? Huh? What that means is he is telling her he's not going to let her know who told him the secret. But he's just going to say that someone told me. Okay, for example, let's just say your English suddenly gets really, really good. And someone says, "Hey, how come your English is so good? Why are you watching the Dr. J videos every day?" And you could say, "Well, a little birdie told me that watching Dr. J videos is going to make my English face on the nose." Okay? And so this expression, "a little birdie told me," is very useful for your social life. If you do not want to reveal the source of a rumor or story, if you do not want to let the cat out of the bag about who told you something, you can say, "Well, a little birdie told me. A little birdie told me." Okay, I hope you can use this idiom expression with your friends and your colleagues and your English teacher. Woo! And they will think you're incredible. Woo! 格林希尔为你服务。